need to record because everyone. Is it recording? Okay, try and get the train before everyone thinks I'm crazy. No one believes me. There's a train. There it is. Quick.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. I got it. I got it.
Train.
The train. Train.
It's in front of us. Don't tell me you can't see it too. There's the train.
Smoke. Train.
So keep recording.
Train.
I need as much evidence as I can get.
Get out the way, van.
I know. Stupid people.
Silly van.
Will be a plasterer as well. That's it. Just try and lean it to the side. I need you to get video footage of this train.
Ah. Yeah.
Do you see it?
No. If I go like this, I'm
You're gonna have to push it along. I don't know if I'm actually gonna stick behind. Right. If you move it over here, because the road's going to the right, you'll be able to see it. So, you're really gonna have to.
Hey, we're about to see the train again.
See the
Oh,
train?
yeah, you can see the side of it.
Oh, that steam coming out. Wow.
Awesome. Grave.
More train, not grave, train. You got the train?
Yeah, I got the train. I can see it now.
It's not black now, is it?
Oh, look at the smoke, everyone.
This train is the bane of my life. Not only does everyone think I'm absolutely boxed and mad, but it keeps just coming out in rush hour.
Can't smoke break the electricity wires.
No, shouldn't do.
Good.
Not if it's really hot, but they're made of metal anyway. It'd have to be extremely hot. So.
Yeah, I'm getting the train again. Moving across.
Oh, there we are. Quick, Ellie, there. You got it?
Yep. Everyone.
Train.
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 Train, everybody.
Bye, train.